The wrong tree in the wrong place can have quite a large number of significant effects in the future. Over time, as the trees grow, they get to the point where they potentially overtop the power lines or grow into them, and eventually the branches break off and it can seriously affect the network. And the unseen cost of that is millions and millions of dollars every year to manage it, as well as all the unseen cost of the men and women who have to get out usually at night and deal with the problem.
Well, I think what it does is it reinforces our commitment to a broader green asset management program. And that's really very much around, not only are we managing green assets, trees and vegetation on a day-to-day basis, but it's also about how we replenish the environment when we have removed or pruned trees and vegetation. So today, is an important day in that sense that we're giving back and that we are contributing to the future.